Ready to turn laundry into a lucrative side hustle? Become a sought-after house helper with Poplin or Hamper, where earnings can soar above $6,000 monthly. With easy sign-ups, flat-rate pricing, and stress-free operations, your journey to financial freedom starts here. Join the laundry hustle today. Begin the narrative by inviting individuals to embark on a unique and rewarding journey with Poplin, where the transformation of laundry into a lucrative side hustle awaits. Poplin's pledge to transform laundry into a lucrative side hustle. A unique and rewarding journey awaits, treating your clothes like VIP guests with a touch of royal treatment and the promise of financial gains. With meticulous practices, Poplin ensures each garment's experience is nothing short of distinctive. Personalized tags eliminate mix-ups, guaranteeing a seamless journey through their expert cleaning process. They take it a step further with a cool wash and normal heat dry, giving your clothes the gentle touch they deserve. But here's where it gets exciting. Introducing the Poplin Protection Plan, your safety net for life's unexpected twists. Imagine a platform that steps in, providing coverage of up to $1,000 per order in the rare event of loss or damage. Now envision a worry-free laundry experience seamlessly transforming into a lucrative side hustle. It's just a click away at https://poplin.co/. Creating an account opens the door to seamless laundry days and propels you closer to a thriving side hustle journey. Join Poplin as a side hustle adventure and let Poplin guide you to financial empowerment and laundry bliss. Click, sign up, and let the magic unfold at Poplin, where every wash is a step closer to a regally rewarding side hustle journey. Step into the lucrative side hustle journey with Hamper, where the mundane laundry day evolves into a financially empowering adventure. The lucrative side hustle journey with Hamper. Embark on a financial empowerment journey with Hamper, where laundry day transforms into a lucrative side hustle. More than an on-demand laundry app, Hamper offers a haven for individuals seeking to monetize their routines effortlessly. With a user-friendly app at https://www.tryhamper.com/, Hamper provides an easy entry into a fully customizable side hustle adventure. As a Hamper member, unlock not just laundry convenience, but also receive 4 hampers by mail, kickstarting your venture into laundry entrepreneurship. Innovative features, including flat-rate pricing and recurring orders, eliminate the hassle, liberating time for quality moments with family or pursuing personal projects. Say goodbye to laundry stress as Hamper ensures a zero-effort, same-day turnaround, and mental burnout fades away with clean, folded clothes delivered to your doorstep. Ready to turn laundry daydreams into a reality filled with financial gains? Dive into the transformative magic of Hamper, download the app, and let the hustle begin. Despite the shifting dynamics, a lucrative opportunity emerges for individuals to step into the role of a house helper, presenting a potential monthly income of up to $6,000. Embrace the role of a house helper and earn up to $6,000 monthly. As the professional landscape shifts and more individuals return to office routines in 2024, the time for daily household chores reduces. However, there's a profitable opportunity knocking at your doorstep into the role of a house helper and watching your monthly income fly to potential heights of $6,000. Angelique Rivers, the CEO of Bold House, highlights the growing challenges for those readjusting to office life as the once flexible schedules of remote work are replaced by the demands of commuting and office hours. Becoming a house helper with services like Poplin and Hamper emerges as a promising avenue. Poplin boasts potential earnings of up to $6,000 monthly, offering flexibility and convenience in laundry services. Meanwhile, Hamper provides an enticing opportunity for washers to earn 70% of the standard market rate per load, with additional incentives and 100% retention of customer tips. Whether you specialize in the laundry or offer broader house helper services, platforms like Nextdoor and local Facebook groups serve as invaluable connections to potential clients. With rates reaching up to $30 per hour, being a house helper addresses the challenges of daily chores and opens doors to a thriving and financially rewarding side hustle. Bid farewell to mundane routines and welcome a new era of financial empowerment through the fulfilling role of a house helper. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of turning laundry into a thriving side hustle with Poplin and Hamper. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button and ring that bell to stay tuned for more exciting side hustle journeys. We want to hear from you. Are you ready to embark on your own laundry side hustle adventure? Please share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's hustle towards financial empowerment together. Until next time, take care and happy hustling.